Good morning, dear students. In today's class, I am going to discuss topic solution of class 12th chemistry. Now, first we are going to define here what is a solution. Solution is basically a homogeneous mixture of two or more chemically non-reactive substances or components. By homogeneous mixture we means a mixture in which the components are uniformly or evenly distributed. Means while dissolving sugar in water, if we are taking example of sugar in water, the components of sugar are uniformly distributed in water. It will form a homogeneous mixture. Now next is solution always contain a chemically non-reactive substances. This can be done to avoid compound formation. If we are having chemically reactive substances, then compound formation will take place. Clear? Now next is we can change composition of a solution within certain limits or concentration within certain limits. Means while dissolving sugar in water, sugar keeps on dissolving in water. A stage is reached when dissolution of sugar in water stops. Means we can change composition of such a solution within certain limits. Now next is there are some examples of solution which we people are observing in our daily life. One is seawater, most common example. One is tea or any kind of juice, or the air we breathe in is a homogeneous mixture, that is a solution. But sometimes we consider air as a heterogeneous also when we consider dust particles in air. Otherwise we take air as a homogeneous mixture. Now next is components of a solution. There are mainly two components. One is called as solute, one is called as solvent. Solute is the component present in lesser amount. Solvent component present in excess amount. Means वो component जो lesser amount में present होगा उसे क्या बोला जाता है solute, and the component present in excess amount is a solvent. For example, in this case sugar in water, sugar will act as a solute and water will act as a solvent. Clear? In this case sugar will act as a solute and water will act as a solvent. We can also define solute as the substance which is to be dissolved. Clear? And solvent substance in which dissolution of solute occurs. मीन जिसको डिसॉल्व करेंगे वो सोल्यूट बनेगा, जिसमें डिसॉल्व करेंगे वो सॉल्वेंट बनेगा. ठीक है. So next is, now we have a solution with two components is called as a binary solution. A solution with three components is called a ternary solution, and a solution with four components is called a quaternary solution, and so on. But in this class we are going to study only binary solutions. Clear? Now next is aqueous solutions. Solutions in which water act as a solvent. Those solutions using water as a solvent are called as aqueous solutions, and non-aqueous means solutions with solvent other than water, for example CCl4. Okay students, means aqueous solution में basically solvent क्या होगा water, और non aqueous में solvent क्या होगा other than water. ठीक है. So next is concentrated solution. Solution which contain more amount of solute is called as concentrated solution. Diluted solution, solution which contains more amount of solvent, मीन्स ऐसा सोल्यूशन जिसमें ज़्यादा सोल्यूट हो उसे क्या बोलेंगे हम लोग, कंसंट्रेटेड सोल्यूशन, और जिसमें ज़्यादा सॉल्वेंट हो उसे क्या बोलेंगे हम लोग, डाइल्यूटेड सोल्यूशन. ठीक है. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज, नाउ वी हैव सैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशंस. A solution which contains as much amount of solute as it can dissolve at a given temperature. Means एक ऐसा सॉल्यूशन होगा जिसमें substance does not dissolve further. मीन जितना उसमें सोल्यूट डिजॉल्व हो सकता है उतना डिजॉल्व हो चुका है, फर्दर डिजॉल्व नहीं हो सकता. क्लियर. नेक्स्ट इज अनसैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन. Means a solution which contains lesser amount of solute than the amount of solute it can dissolve. Means ऐसा solution जिसमें अभी और solute dissolve हो सकता है. Clear. Means for such solution substance can dissolve further. Clear. इस अभी और इसमें सोल्यूट डिजॉल्व कर सकते हैं हम लोग. और नेक्स्ट इज सुपर सैचुरेटेड solution. Solution which contains more amount of solute, then the amount of solute it can dissolve at a particular temperature. मीन्स इस केस में जितना सोल्यूट डिजॉल्व होगा उससे ज़्यादा सॉल्यूशन में सोल्यूट प्रेजेंट है. मीन्स इन दिस केस वी हैव सम अनडिजॉल्व्ड सोल्यूट which undergoes precipitation. Means if we compare the three, first saturated solution means in which substance doesn't dissolve further, और solute हम उसमें डिजॉल्व नहीं कर सकते. अनसैचुरेटेड में क्या होगा, जितना डिजॉल्व कर सकते उससे कम डिजॉल्व हुआ है, मतलब और डिजॉल्व कर सकते हैं. और सुपर सैचुरेटेड में क्या होगा, इसमें जितना डिजॉल्व हो सकता है उससे ज़्यादा प्रेजेंट है. मीन जो एक्सेस में होगा वो क्या रहेगा, अनडिजॉल्व, और वो किस में आएगा, प्रेसिपिटेट में. क्लियर? ओके स्टूडेंट्स? ओके. इन सिंपल वे you can define solution as a mixture of solute and solvent. Solution is basically a mixture of solute and solvent. Now we have different types of solutions depending upon the physical state of solvent, and solution is basically a single phase system. Solution is basically a single phase. Homogeneous means single phase. Now you can write here solvent. You can summarize different types of solutions in the form of table: solvent, solute, and here we can write examples. First solution is in which solvent and solute both are solids. Example: alloys. For example, brass. We know alloy is a homogeneous mixture of metals. Clear? तो ऐसा solution जिसमें solute भी क्या होगा, solid, solvent भी solid, उसे क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग, alloys. Second is solvent, solid, solute, liquid. Example: hydrated salts, जैसे कॉपर सल्फेट, हाइड्रेटेड कॉपर सल्फेट. हाइड्रा मीन्स वाटर. Solution in which solvent is in solid form, solute is in liquid form. Example is hydrated salt. Number 3, solvent we kept solid and this is a gas. Solute we kept as a gas. Example is solution of hydrogen gas in palladium. A solution in which solvent is in solid form, solute is in gaseous form. So H2 will serve here as a solute, palladium will serve here as a solvent. Number 4, liquid solid. Example: sugar solution or salt solution. One more thing, liquid, alcohol in water or ethanol in water. A solution in which both solvent and solute are in liquid phases. Ethanol in water. Next is liquid gas, cold drink bottles or aerated drinks, means cold drink bottles which contain dissolved gases. Now 7, gas solid. Example, you can write down camphor in N2 gas. Similarly, 8, gas liquid, humidity in air, humidity in air. Last one is gas. Example is air. In CBSE examination, from this table you can have 1 mark question. For example, you can say solution of ethanol in water. For a solution of ethanol in water, mention the state of solute and solvent. Clear? Dear students, I hope today's topic is clear to you. In our next class, I am going to discuss various concentration terms. So for any kind of doubt, you can call me. Bye. See you in next class.